Hi guys! So for today's video is quite different. I don't know if you can hear me well kasi ma-echo itong room na to. But anyways, as I was saying, today's video is quite different because I'll be sharing with you my personal self-care routine. Why am I doing this? I mean, have you experienced a period in your life where you feel like this is not it. This is not you. You're feeling down. You're feeling not yourself. Parang kang lutang. Parang nothing is going right. You don't feel like going out. Or you feel like going out, but by the end of the day, you're still not happy. My God, ang lalim, but you know what I mean. And guys, para makaalis kayo sa slump na yan, you need to have a makeover. You need to do something to change yourself. Ako personally, I just recently experienced that. I'm all work, but you know, I feel like a completely different person. Let me help you out. Okay, I'm gonna be sharing my personal self-care routine that you can do in one day or you can do consistently every week or even twice a week, because this is me entering my hashtag Radiant Girl era. And I do recommend that you try this challenge as well, you guys. There's nothing more important than doing yourself a favor by showing love and care to yourself. To be completely honest, simple lang kapag ka isa kang radiant girl. First of all, you're glowing inside and out. Well, syempre, una, you look good, you look at your best, you look polished, you look clean, you look cute and all that. And when you say you're glowing inside, it means you're healthy, you're taking care of your body, nasa condition ka, you're confident, like you're really feeling yourself, you're comfortable with what you're wearing, and you're comfortable and confident to try anything. And last but definitely not the least, is you're happy. Dahil aminin mo, halata kapag ka masaya ang isang tao. Yun yung mga sinasabihin, ay, te, glowing ka. Ganon yun. You're happy with yourself, you're happy with your life, with your job, or you're happy to go to school, to see your friends. Alam mo yung ganon? That is a radiant girl, you guys. Ngayon ang tanong, Ate Bea, how are you going to achieve that? Well, to be happy is a long process, you guys, because life is complicated and there's so many factors to consider. Pero for today's video, magpo-focus muna tayo syempre sa physical. Like short-term achievable. Ito atin lang to. Like, this is my personal take. This is my own way to achieve my radiant girl era. I honestly have 3 steps. Well, first of all, I start addressing my insecurities. Ano ba yung parang nagpapalungkot sa akin? Every time I look in the mirror, like, what is wrong with me? Bea, what's making you sad? Of course, I'm going to do something about that insecurity. We're talking about physical, ha? Second step ko, you guys, is sticking to a self-care routine. At yun ang ipapakita ko sa inyo later. We're gonna clean ourselves, we're gonna polish ourselves, because wag niyong maliitin, you guys, ang pagligo. There's so many instances na I'm not feeling myself, I'm feeling down, feeling ko yung self-esteem ko ang baba. I go to the shower, at paglabas ko, pag nakita ko yung sarili ko na clean and fresh, ay day, ang dami magbabago sa pananaw mo. Or kung suwa ka na mag-shower or feeling mo hindi effective yung taking a shower, have a nice mani-pedi session, or have a hair appointment, or have your lashes done. Basta do something na this is you taking care of yourself, giving yourself a break, or giving yourself a much needed attention. And third is you have to do something that will actually, like, literally make you happy. It's either seeing your friends, going out with your family, going out with your lovey, or taking yourself out for a solo day. I'm not kidding. Basta marami tayong gagawin today, kaya naman, huwag na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik. Let's go ahead to the first step that I was saying, and that is addressing your insecurities. Honestly, guys, me personally, I have a lot of insecurities. I am insecure with my weight, especially in my belly and my arms. As you can see, I have lollipop arms. You know what lollipop arms is? Dito payat naman, tas biglang boobs. I'm insecure with my forehead. It's like, die. You know what? Eto, honest to goodness, I'm insecure with my underarms. Like, I can go out having acne on my face, but I cannot go out wearing sleeveless or spaghetti straps or tube tops and whatnot. Like 90% of my wardrobe, my sleeves or hoodies or pullovers, because I may look cute right here. I can hide the bumps, the pimples with makeup, but I cannot hide my underarms. Let me show you my underarms a couple of days ago. First of all, I have chicken skin because I'm either shaving my underarm or I'm plucking it. And I definitely don't do yung mga laser hair removals. I have an even skin tone. It's rough and so much texture. I mean, thank God I don't have body odor, but I really can't raise my arms in public because I mean, kapag meron naka sleeveless or spaghetti strap and then nag-raise sila ng arms, you're gonna look at the armpits and you're gonna not judge the armpit. But I'm very excited to share to you guys the products that I found to deal with these problems. Chicken skin, uneven skin tone, dark underarms, rough patches here and there. And I'm talking about today's sponsor. Thank you so much, Dove, for partnering with me for today's video. And guys, thank you so much, because without your support, we're not gonna go to this point where I'm having sponsorships. So kudos to you. And the product I'm talking about is the Dove Radiant Care Deodorant Serum. Listen, this one is very different from other deodorants in the market, because most of those deodorants are like deodorant or to prevent you from sweating. But this one is an actual skincare for your underarms. So each variant contains 3% niacinamide, the highest concentration of niacinamide in a Dove Deo. Pili ka alin dito yung feeling mo makakatulong sa'yo depende on your underarm problem. If you have damaged underarms from, hair removal, such as plucking or shaving or waxing, the best one for you is the pink variant. It has 3% niacinamide and 10 times collagen for a radiant and nourished underarms. Kung ang problem mo naman is dark marks, you can go with orange. It has 3% niacinamide and 10 times vitamin C and E for radiant and even-toned underarms. Pero kung problem mo naman is yung chicken skin, meron kang textures and lines, the purple one is for you. It has 3% niacinamide and 10 times omega-6 for radiant and smooth underarms. And kung napapansin nyo guys, aside from the color variants, meron ka pang dalawang pagpipilian. So we have the deodorant serum roll-on, and then we have the deodorant dry serum. For me, I use the roll-on in the morning, and then I use this one, yung dry serum, at night. Kasi parang siyang skincare na, perfect for nighttime. You choose kung saan ka comfortable. So roll-on or sa dry serum. But take note, itong dry serum, this one dries faster than the roll-on. Basta ako, eto for daytime, eto for nighttime. But if I'm in a hurry, I go for this one para mabilis matuyo. Pero dahil lotiony siya, ang sarap niya talaga i-apply at night. Itong dry serum. They smell so good. Like, so good. Like, hindi siya yung parang cosmetic deodorant. It smells clean and fresh. For me pala, you guys, I was torn between the purple and the pink. Pero dahil gusto ko talaga yung parang pang-damage underarms, I went for the pink one. But come on, let's hop into the shower and let's take care of this. So first thing I'm going to do is wash my hair. Don't ask. All the products I'm using are Dove, starting with my shampoo, followed by my 1-minute hair serum conditioner. And then I'm going to double cleanse my body, first using Dove Beauty Bar to get rid of the dirt, and then Dove Cloud Self-Foaming Body Wash to moisturize my skin. And then I'm going to rinse my entire body, including my hair. Moving on to my dental and skincare routine. It's nothing too complicated. At syempre, hindi natin kakalimutan ang Dove Dry Serum. I opted for the dry serum kasi paggabi na, and it's like I'm applying my nighttime skincare routine. And of course, I'm going to make myself extra cute with a very light makeup just to, define my features. I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then voila, we are done. Now time to dress up.
I lose my breath whenever I see you.
Hey guys, this is me. This is the finished look. Kili-kili reveal na ba? Okay, let's go. Hui! Syempre mag-close-up tayo, So based on my observation, you guys, after using the Dove Deo Serum in like 7 days, going to 8. Oh yeah, this is my 8th day. It is much smoother compared to 7 days ago. Syempre, hindi naman siya magiging perfect and super smooth in just 7 days. Like I said, this is like a skincare for your underarms. So you have to use it every day, consistently, day and night, for weeks for you to be able to see 100% difference. Pero so far, ramdam ko na nag-smoothen siya. Hindi na siya yung parang maaligas-gas o ramdam mo yung mabutlig. It's malambot na, I'm telling you. Syempre, yung mga lines ko and yung uneven skin tone, it lightened a little bit. Like I said, just like any other skincare, you have to consistently use it for a certain period of time para makita mo talaga yung change na hinahanap mo. Like a complete 360 difference. But honestly, I am happy with how it's going. It's a slowly but surely process na depende rin sa inyo at sa lifestyle nyo, syempre. And depende sa damage na ginagawa mo sa underarms mo, which is the plucking, the shaving, the waxing, and you guys, even when taking a shower, huwag kayong gumamit ng sponge, ng loofah, or ng yung bato. Don't rub it on your underarms kasi yung skin natin sa underarms is very sensitive and some of us manipis, madaling madamage. Hindi siya magla-lighten in that way. Baka mas lalo pa siyang madamage kakaganon nyo. So stick to the products na alam mong skincare talaga yung pwede sa sensitive skin and dun sa mga brands na mapagkakatiwalaan, hindi yung mga sketchy brands na, my God. Let's be real. And again, depende sa lifestyle mo yung lagay ng underarms mo. At eto, personally sa akin, every time I gain weight, the more na naging uneven yung skin tone ko at nagkakaroon ng mga dark areas here and there. But when I exercise, I eat healthy, and I'm consistent with my skin and underarm care, dun siya nagiging okay. At lalo na ngayon, guys, I really need itong Dove Deo Serum because in the next couple of months, my underarms will be in danger of having a severe darkening because shh. Anyway, isa lang masasabi ko you guys. I do recommend i-try nyo itong Dove Radiant Plus Care Deo Serum. It's very affordable and it's available sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa Watsons, sa mga department stores. But I'm going to link everything at the description box, and I really do hope it works for you because it is working for me. Syempre, I'm going to commit to using it for the next couple of weeks para ma-achieve ko na talaga yung gusto kong, you know, really smooth, no chicken skin, or even less chicken skin. Happy na ako doon. But I'm excited. I'm super excited. GGSS! O diba guys, ito yung sinasabi ko. Like, this is me in my hashtag radiant girl era. Like, I'm confident to raise my arm. Like, I'm glowing on the outside and I'm glowing from the inside because, you know, I'm comfortable with what I'm wearing. And I'm just simply happy and excited. Ganda sa sarili. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!